Hi everyone. If you watched my last video, you probably remember me showing you the anomaly that was in the data coming from my tempcast, particularly with the surface temperature due to that shadow that was encroaching on the area. Today, I want to show you something even more interesting that's happening with that data. So going back to the example that I showed you all in my last video, you can see the data coming from my tempcast. The green line is the surface temperature. You see that dip there where the shadow of the tree takes over the area, and then it spiked back up as the shadow leaves the area. Well, that's interesting in itself because it's just an anomaly there. But the even more interesting thing is over here with the forecast on the right-hand side. So this dotted line is the surface temperature, and this is a forecast of surface temperature. And you'll notice that our model is actually picking up on that surface temperature anomaly with the shadow of the tree. You see the dip in the forecast. And this is really interesting and important because our model is not just estimating and guessing, right? It's actually taking that data in from the sensor location, learning the unique conditions that are in that area. And then what it's doing is it's providing a more accurate and a specific localized forecast for that specific point. So why does this matter? Well, it matters because you get a much more accurate forecast at a location that you care about. And from a winter maintenance perspective, that really helps when it comes to making decisions. So the benefits of getting a much more accurate and localized forecast, one, you know whether to go out and salt or not. 1 degree difference between pavement temperatures can really change a decision that you would make, not only based on whether you would salt or not, but maybe the type of material you would use. The second thing is it allows you to target certain areas. Those pavement temperatures are going to be different across your entire road network. And knowing the pavement temperatures and knowing that you're getting a more accurate forecast allows you to make decisions where you can target certain areas and then maybe not target others that don't need to be. The last thing is helping with planning ahead of time. Like I said, this system, we're ingesting the data, we're taking that into account, our model is learning it, and then it's improving that forecast. So it allows you to plan and staff and get your resources together ahead of time and be able to trust that forecast more than a generic forecast that you might find anywhere else. So all of these things are really helping communities on the winter maintenance side, and especially with that forecast piece, because if we're able to improve the forecast, that only helps you all make better decisions in the end. If you're interested in learning more about how we're helping communities with enhanced road weather forecast, or if you're just interested in learning a little bit more about the science behind the technology and meteorology, feel free to reach me here on LinkedIn, or you can contact me at eric.faulkner@vaisala.com. Happy holidays, everyone, and have a safe snow season.